Stop right there. Don't throw away your old tights. Reuse it. Let me show you what to do with it. Do you know you can actually turn your old worn out pantyhose, pop socks or tights into a head wrap? You can actually reuse it into a head wrap. In this video, I'm going to show you the inner, the full view and the after view of this head wrap. Welcome to Glow with Gladys. Let's get into the tutorial proper. Like I said, this video is in full view and a little further view of it, so you see how it actually looks from far. Get your old worn out pantyhose or tight that you are no longer using of any color. You can see the full view here. Get it out. Even though it's torn underneath, you can still make good use of it. Wrap it around your head. Enter in through the open side and wrap it around your head like you can see, like so. Fitted properly on your head. You can see that it's not useless after all. You can still reuse your old pantyhose, pop socks or tights that you're no longer using. Instead of throwing them away, just reuse it this way. Make it useful again by turning it into a head wrap. So you take one leg and take it around your head, tie it behind like so. As you are watching closely, then you arrange it. It's so soft and malleable. It's so soft and easy to work with. So just do this, arrange it, the first leg, then you take the second leg and take it round. You can just use it to make a very simple, soft head wrap. Yeah, it's of jersey color, jersey fabric. So you can use any color you like. So you place the second one on top of the first layer. So this is the second layer on top of the first layer, the first leg, and keep adjusting and keep arranging until you get your desired taste. Then you take the two together and you knot it together at the back on top of your bun. Your bun behind, you knot it on top of your bun behind and hold it. And that is it. You have it. You can see the back side. And that is it. Your tight to head wrap is ready. Your tight to head wrap is ready. Keep adjusting. This kind of want to look like an auto gele, jersey auto gele head wrap style. So adjust this. You can use any color of your tights or pantyhose. This is the full view of this video. After now, you see a little further view for proper view, so you can see how it looks. Thanks for watching. Tune in again for another tutorial on Glow with Gladys. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe and comment. I need your comments, I need your likes. Please, if you have found value in this video, in my videos, please, I need your likes and your subscription. Subscribe, comment, tell me where I'm missing it, where I'm getting it right. Please, we are a family, let me know. So this is the further view of this video, so you can see it properly, how I made it. I turned my old pantyhose into a head wrap from tights, pop socks, your tights that you're no longer using, old and worn out, turn it into your head wrap. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment for more tutorials.
Glow a home.